Hola estudiantes. Today I'm going to go over Section 2, Unit 3, just the basics that you need to know to move on and move ahead. First, we're going to talk about the skill called talk about schedule. So obviously, you're going to talk about what you're going to do on certain days of the week. Important vocabulary that you need to know are the days of the week, weekend, few activities like baseball game, concert, etc. That's what this is all about. In order to help you with that, I'm going to go over the pronunciation of those three letters, how to say that we do something on a day of the week, and then basic adjective agreement. First off, the letter B and the letter V are actually pronounced the same in Spanish. You might not notice that. Sometimes I don't always pronounce them the same just out of habit from English, but it's always like a softer B sound. So listen to these and maybe silently mimic them as well. Boleto, bebes, banco, bueno, hablo, hombre, vaso, vivo, favor, reserva, vestido, verde. And then we also have the double L, which in Spanish is always a y sound. It's a little different in every country, but if you just pronounce it like a Y, you'll always be safe. Calle, llamo, llamas, llama, tortilla, villa. Okay, so that's how you pronounce these. These other parts we're going to take notes on if you are there. In Spanish, just the really simple thing to learn here is that we don't do something on Tuesday or on Saturday or on the weekend. Instead of saying on, we would say the Saturday or the weekend. So look at these examples really quickly. Yo tengo una fiesta el sábado. I have a party on Saturday, literally the Saturday. La fiesta es el viernes. The party is on Friday, but literally the Friday. Okay, you get the gist of what's going on here? I'll just pronounce the rest of them. Mi abuelo usa mi computadora el domingo. ¿Tienes un partido de béisbol el martes? El concierto es el jueves. Last thing we're going to talk about is basic adjective agreement. So in Spanish, every adjective that describes a noun has to be the same grammatical gender as the word that they describe. So here in the first sentence, we have the word partido, game. This literally says the soccer game is very fun. What's fun? The soccer game. So because the word game, partido, is masculine, the word the has to be masculine. The word fun, divertido, also has to be masculine. Look at the second example. La fiesta es muy divertida. The party is very fun. What's fun? What's the? The what? Party. Because fiesta ends in a and is feminine, we use the word la, fiesta, for the, and we use divertida because it's describing fiesta. So it has to match what it's describing. That's the basics of it. Thanks, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Nos vemos.